Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee Uber accident compensation claims. I'm going to be going over whether or not you can claim for an Uber accident, if you can claim, how you can begin the process of claiming, and how much compensation you may expect to receive in total. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. With its increasing popularity, there's a chance that just like any other vehicle on the road, that if you're traveling in an Uber, you may be involved in a road traffic accident. If you've been involved in an Uber car crash and would like to know whether or not you can make a taxi passenger accident claim, the good news is, as long as the accident was down to the negligence of others, which will most likely be the case if you were a passenger in an Uber, you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for an Uber driver accident? Well, we highly recommend that you reach out to a road traffic accident claims specialist that has experience in dealing with no-win, no-fee car accident claims. The good news for you is that we're happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish just what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our no-win, no-fee calculator in order to give you a good idea of how much compensation you may be entitled to in total, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will only be for your injuries, which means that your final claim amount may be significantly larger. Following the consultation, we will talk through the Uber accident with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, if you're wondering how much you may be entitled to for your injuries, I'm going to take a look at our Uber no-win, no-fee personal injury claim amounts table.
Here we have the table in front of us for road traffic accident injuries. And on the top category, we can see back injuries. So for a severe back injury, this is permanent damage to the back. You're looking at anything from £30,910 right the way up to £128,320. For a moderate back injury, this is with recovery within 5 years. You can expect to receive anything from £9,970 right the way up to £30,910. Then finally, a mild back injury. This is with recovery within 2 years. For compensation for this type of injury, you could expect to receive anything from £1,950 right the way up to £9,970. Then for arm injuries, for a severe injury to the arm, you could expect to receive anything from £76,650 right the way up to £104,370. Then for injuries resulting in permanent and substantial disablement, you could expect to receive anything from £31,220 all the way up to £47,720. Then finally, a less severe injury to the arm. This could be anything from £15,300 right the way up to £31,220. For wrist injuries, we have 3 different categories as well. For severe wrist injuries, this is a fracture to the wrist. You could expect to receive anything from £37,960 right the way up to £47,720. For a moderate wrist fracture, you could expect to receive anything from £10,040 right the way up to £19,530. For a minor wrist injury, you could expect to receive anything from £2,810 right the way up to £3,790. Then neck injuries. For a severe neck injury, this is severe ongoing pain, impairment of movement, partial or full paralysis as a result of the injury. You could expect to receive anything from £44,630 right the way up to £118,240. For a moderate neck injury, this could be long-term damage to the neck, restricting movement and causing pain as a result of the injury. You could expect to receive anything from £10,960 right the way up to £30,690. Then finally, a minor neck injury. There's short-term damage to the neck, such as sprains and bruising, you could expect to receive anything from £1,950 all the way up to £6,290. Then shoulder injuries. Here we have 3 different categories. Again, for a severe shoulder injury, this is impaired movement or numbness of one or both arms as a result of an injury which has resulted to last into the long term. You could expect to receive anything from £15,300 right the way up to £38,280. For a moderate shoulder injury, this could be limited movement of one arm or both arms as a result of injury which is expected to last for some time. You could expect to receive £6,290 right the way up to £10,180. Then finally, a minor shoulder injury. This is short-term restriction of movement of one arm or both arms and ongoing pain as a result of the injury. You could expect to receive anything from £1,950 right the way up to £6,290.
I'd like to emphasize that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amounts of any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.